Hello, fellow face painter adventurer. We are going to go to a journey on the safari. I need help finding a rare animal, a cheetah, but not just any cheetah, a blue and yellow one. Do you want to come with? Hop on and let's go catch us an animal. Hey everyone, I bet just like us, you're probably in quarantine at home with a calendar completely empty because you're having a cancellation after cancellation, after rescheduling, after cancellation on the phone, as emails. And of course, none of us want that. I know we're all struggling, but we're trying our best to not worry and be upbeat. Let's help each other find ways to be productive, be positive in the comments or even on our Facebook page at Radiant Art Inspirations. We all need a little support, and if you have any links that you think might help somebody, please share it. But let us make the most of this day and let's get started.
With a sponge, use white paint to create the muzzle. When shaping the muzzle, do not go any further than to the end of the mouth. Then create the inside of the ears, making them round shaped. Once that is done, apply glitter. With another sponge, dab yellow around the entire face. We mixed normal yellow with neon yellow. It is important to go around the ears and around shape and to be careful around the cheek area. If the cheeks are too big, the cheetah can look like it's drooping, so try not to exceed the mouth region when sponging the face. Next, with another sponge, use teal or light blue to highlight the forehead, the cheeks, and the ears. Then add green or blue glitter. This glitter is by Art Factory. Next is stencils. With a cheetah stencil, use black for the top of the forehead, cheeks, and ears. Remember to not overdo it with the stencil. In this case, less is more. Once that is done, with a number 4 brush, draw the nose. The best is to draw 2 flicks on each side to start your shape. Here you can see the centerpiece. Use a number 2 brush and start thin at the tip of the nose and then press down as you get closer to the lip, just like a teardrop. And the same goes when you're outlining the muzzle. For the inner stripes, try and wiggle your brush just slightly and then pull, similar to creating tiger stripes but at a smaller scale. Next, with the same brush, draw the inside of the ears. Here we drew 3 little curly lines. Then for the forehead, squiggle your brush to give it a kind of furry look. Then begin to outline the ears. It is nice to add texture by adding some spiky fur. Do this throughout the entire design. Oh, and for the end of the eyebrow to the corner of the eye, draw a semicircle. This flatters the eye more than just drawing fur. You got this, you're doing great. Next, draw 2 teardrops at the inner corner of the eye on each side. Lastly, with the number 2 brush, load with white to highlight your entire design and place dots. Adding highlights really makes a difference to any face paint design, so make sure to always do it if you can. If time permits, use a Q-tip to apply lipstick. Here we're using neon pink. Yay, you're all done! Give yourself and this video a thumbs up. See you guys next week. Bye-bye!